Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up, you can't see it because it's already on the door, a Wiser lever action door handle because my other handle broke. It wasn't functioning, it wasn't retracting the lock set or the barrel all the way. So had to replace it, and I'm just going to show you the process, and yeah, you'll see, it's fun. It's actually really easy most of the time, but sometimes you know, if things aren't working right, it could be a little more of a problem. Anyway, so first thing we got to do is pry this part of the door handle off, or we can release this with the Allen key, which I think we're going to do. Oh no, it's too big. It doesn't want to come off. We'll make it come off. That part is off. And we have a couple of Phillips screws, of course. There we go. Okay, that part's out. Take this out. Okay, take these guys out here. Take the end off. Pull this whole thing through. Okay, there we go. So here's the new handle. This is the inside. This one's the outside. And this part goes in the middle. So you can adjust the length of the barrel by this guy here. This one, you push this down and out and lock it in over here. It makes it longer, or this way it makes it shorter. Let's check. Let's check the size here, and we need the longer one. So push this down and out, make it longer, install this with the flat spot on the inside. Okay, we need screws for that, so we'll put the screws back at this. Okay. All right, this is the inside, so I'll loosen this off. Come on, this is the Allen key that it came with. It's got to fit. There we go. Okay, loosen it, and then use the long end. It's easier to unscrew it. Okay, pull the arm off of it. Okay, and this cover comes off. Put your handle on from the outside. Put this part on. Gotta fit on one way or another. There we go. Comes with two long screws. Gotta mount these in here through the holes. Okay, once you get one in, should be pretty easy to put the other in. Okay, once they're advancing, you want to tighten them up. Your screwdriver. put our cover plate back on. And our handle. Okay. Once our handle is on, we are going to turn that Allen key. Tighten this guy back up. Tighten it so it doesn't fall off. Make sure it functions. Nice. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, something simple can always be a bit of an issue. A reciprocating saw isn't that expensive. If you do need one, I think they're only about $50 still to get a corded version like I got. Get some decent blades for it. I got the Avanti blades from Home Depot, or the Freud blades are good. And yeah, anyway, it made quick work of that, made light work of it, and installed the new door handle real easy. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.